the first thing that you will do is to just search out big cartel. I didn't even finish spelling it, and here we are. And here we are. Guys, this is super helpful. Guys, this is super, super. I can't contain myself. This is really, really good. So you sign up over here. You do need an email address, and here we are. You have the free and then the paid versions, but for the purposes of this video, we're going with the free. And quick disclaimers. Quick disclaimers. You could only post one image per product, and you could only post 5 products under the free version. So please, if you have more than 5 products that you are offering, this free version, I'm sorry, is not for you. But I believe that a lot of small businesses that this would do nicely for them, and they do not have to expend any money. So let's click on sign up. Here we are at, so let's set up a password. Okay, so shop name, I'm going to call it exactly that. Let's see if it is available. Oh, it's already taken. So let's call it something else. Is this available? So this shop name is available. And immediately you can see that it sets up this for you. So you do not need a custom domain name to actually set this up. If you do have a custom domain name, fine. But if you do not, also excellent. This works perfectly well. So let's sign up. So this is where you add your products. You add a product name. And guys, I do have an ebook called Telephone Techniques, which you can download, link in description. Super awesome tips on how to relate to your clients over the phone. So that is just the description for the ebook. And it is free. It is free. It is not for sale. So this is just an image. But for the purposes of this video, we're just, setting it up. Categories, I don't have any categories set up yet. It's just the one product. But if you do want to set up, here we are. That is the image of the ebook. And then for the price, let's do $3.45. And another beautiful thing about this is that you could add options, but I think this is a paid for thing. But we're doing the free version. You could calculate the cost of shipping and add it here. Let's see what that looks like. See? But because I'm just going to delete that because we're not doing shipping for the purpose of this video, you could do your taxes and so on. So we click save. We just move on like. Yes, product added. We have a website. Woohoo! So let's continue completing our store. So we pick a theme. And here, guys, I've said it before on this channel, I am not a graphic designer. I do not have a designer bone in my body at all. So I'll just, but let's see what is there. Let's see what's available. So you could change your background, you could change your so many things here, but I'm not going to mess with it at all because this is fine for me. You could change your font, you could change just everything is there. But one thing I do want to point out on this page is you could add all of your social media accounts here. Your Twitter, your Facebook, Tumblr, Instagram, and Pinterest. You could add everything right here so that people can find you easily. Guys, we know that it's a social media world right now. Sign up for all of these things so that people can easily find you and find your business. So I'm fine with this. Like the open spaces of Craig for Business is just there. You know what? I might actually maintain this website. I think I'll keep it. Yeah. So let's go. We could add a profile image here. It says we're 30% completed, so let's good. So let's set up checkout. Another beautiful thing, another reason why I like this website is for those of us that are in Nigeria. For those of us that are in Nigeria, more often than not, all most of more often than not, we are not able to uh, partake out of these websites and things that are available in the West. But for this particular one, we can um, make use of it because, and I'll show you in a second, because PayPal is available on Big Cartel. See, and for those of us that are out of the country, you could use Stripe. But for here, for those of us here, we can actually use PayPal, which I think works great as well. It works great. So you could set up your PayPal account here so that you could receive your money and get it over with. And here is where you add your profile image if you want to, but I'll do it later. Very easy. It's just to download your profile image and put it there. If you want to add a discount, if you want to add apps and integrations, but for the purposes of this video, no, we'll just move on. So and that's it. Our account is set up. Here we are. If you want to add a custom domain name, but I think for you to be able to do that, you have to upgrade. Here we are. So you can edit your shop info if you want here. Cancel. You could customize your design, your payment options, and so on. And there you have it, guys. There you have it, guys. You could change your password. You could add a phone number. And look at this. This is another thing that I found very, very interesting. If you receive an order, you will actually get an email to notify you. You could also email your customers when they place an order. So, I mean, come on. But another thing is you will get the Big Cartel logo at the bottom of your page, but I don't think it's a deal breaker. I think it's okay. I mean, come on, for everything that you're getting, if you're just come on, the Big Cartel logo, I don't think that is a deal breaker. I think that's fine. So that's it. That's our website. So let me just click on here. Let's see what we're going to get. Yay! Yay! Oh, 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 oh. I'm sorry. I make sounds sometimes. And I'm happy. Look at that. But it does take like 48 hours or so for your site to be live. And there you have it. You could sell your products online. Yay! Balloons! Balloons! Value in this video at all, give us a like. And if you found value, if you found value, and if you found